sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with the articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food, why bite it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, sing a little dance in the shallows. And maybe there's time to go sliding in the slime in the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say the cats are dangerous, it's clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witsy, and preferably with something in the kitsy. Oh, so you want to play hide and seek now, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while bite it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
Well, I don't know. I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this.